What up, YouTube? So this is going to be part 9 of the K24 Spyder build, and today we're going to be fitting the intake on here right now. So I just kind of started mocking it up to see. It's really hard because of the angle in here of the K24 TSX manifold. So I just been messing with that. It took me like a nice hour just to get it like this. So I'm just gonna trim it right here, and then it should be done. Put the intake on there, and that'll be ready. And then the exhaust, we're doing that right now. JFab's hooking it up. We're gonna put the 3-inch piping on here, and it's just gonna be for now, because I believe this car, as soon as it leaves here, is going turbo. I mean, if not in a couple weeks, but this is just some temporary piping, but it should sound good. It'll be using the MagnaFlow that was on here. It's gonna be pretty loud with the 3-inch, but it should pull really strong. So right now we're getting that done, and then hopefully we can go for a little test drive again, and just make sure everything is running good, and make sure it can, you know, just drive like hopefully like a newer car, like just with way more power. So right now we're gonna go ahead and start just finishing everything up, and then we'll come back, show you after it's done, get a startup video, and we'll come back after that. All right, so we are back right now, and a lot of people that I've been seeing online don't really show you how to bleed these cars. They actually have a certain place where you actually bleed the valve from. So what I did was jack the car and the back up all the way up as possible, so that this is higher than the front. And so let's go to the front and let me show you. They give you these tubes. I kind of had one right here already. So you just open this little bleeder valve, and so air can start coming up and releasing. And same for over here. They actually come with the hoses to do this, but like I said, I already had that one already. So you just want to put them above, so through the heater it can all leak out. I also have the heater running full, so yeah, hopefully this it should work. It's actually came down a lot. It used to be like at half on the temperature, and I could check it right now and see. Yeah, that's about where it should be, so that's perfect right there. So yeah, if anybody ever wanted to know how to bleed, so just jack the rear end up as high as you can, have the car running with the heater running, and then just open the 2 valves. I forgot to show you, this is the valve that you open. You just turn it with a flathead screwdriver, and the other one you can actually do by hand. So car's been running for a good 20 minutes. I'm gonna let it run a little bit longer, and then take it for a ride and see how it feels. So I'll see you when we're back on the road. All right, guys, so we're back on the road. As you can see, the exhaust sounds amazing. I thought it was gonna be totally loud, but it's not that bad. It's 3-inch piping with no cat and MagnaFlow exhaust, so it sounds really good. With the intake, it feels a lot better. The throttle response is like way faster than before. You can just tell by the minute torque right now. I'll give you a little quick pull without VTEC. This setup is it's a TSX engine, RBB3, which is 06 to 08, and transmission is a 02 to 04 RSX Type S. Other than that, I mean, it just has an intake that I made on here, 3-inch exhaust. There's nothing really crazy done to it. It does have hot data right now, so it does pull really smooth, but other than that, so far from driving it, I have gone through one bill. I'm using an AP3 idler pulley. So for the people who are using the 65-inch, if you're using an AP3 idler pulley, the tension is a little too much. I'm running a 65.5 right now, just to see how it's running. It still seems like it might rip this build as well, so I'm just trying to get through all the bugs and stuff for this car right now before I give it to the owner, because he's been waiting for it. This COVID's been killing the shipping, and I just want him to start feeling and enjoying his car. So other than that, the mounts are innovative. The shift linkage kit is innovative. I got the lower fourth mount, since Innovative doesn't make 4 mounts, from MAP, which I got the multiplexer, the adapting harness, and the axles. But the axles are actually insane shaft axles, 500 horsepower. Half shaft is a Honda Civic Si 06 to 11. You can use 02 to 06 RSX manual, or Civic EP3 02 to 05. As far as the engine harness, that is 02 to 04 RSX Type S. Driver or something. So if you guys are interested in doing a swap, I definitely recommend it. I mean, especially over the 2ZZ. And I did find out from the person who put the 1ZZ in here, the mechanic actually did take the 2ZZs out. So this car, for some people, I think someone told me, was this a 2ZZ? Yeah, it was a 2ZZ before. But now with the K24, it's just way better. I doubt the 2ZZ was this quick. Other than that, I mean, only problems I'm really having is the belt situation. There's no overheating or anything weird like that. Car drives perfect right now. Yeah, so basically right now, just trying to get away all these bugs, anything else that'll come up, so I can have them done before I give it back. But yeah, let's go for a little pull. Just a quick non-VTEC. Right now, I'm just trying to test the car out and just make sure it's a good daily driver. But you know, it's just shows you that how light this car is, because at 5.5 it gets to 100 almost faster than some K20s that I've actually been in. That's how quick the response is. It's a fun car though. I really recommend if you. I like the SW20s as a chassis, but this car is way more funner than that. W20 models are, I think, like 300 to 400 pounds heavier. But yeah, I mean, as far as that, I mean, everything feels good on the car. Another thing I did have a problem with is the multiplexer. When I did hit VTEC sometimes, it would pop the fuse for the cluster. So working out that right now as well. Other than that, I mean, if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. You can email me at honda.mike1988@gmail.com, or hit me up on Instagram, kseriesworks. And yeah, like I said, if you guys are interested in doing this, let me know, because it's not too hard, and you can follow my build. I have a lot of good information for if you're doing a stock K24 in here. This car will have AC as well too. I just have to get back on the Honda. I forgot to switch on something, and this car should be perfect after that. He might go boost, or he might just like the car how it is, but right now I like the way it feels. It's a really comfortable car at that too. But if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, stay tuned. I got a lot more builds coming on. I got the black SW20 that should be coming up maybe in a couple days. Got the K20 bar. I think I got another K20 bar coming as well in 2 weeks. So I mean, the content is just gonna be out there as much as I can for you guys. So just, if you do need any help, like I said, just hit me up. I could try to get back to you. But other than that, give you this last pull.